Hello everybody, it's Peter the Rock. It's Saturday the 9th of November. I've just experienced, I think, what must be the most unhelpful railway station possibly in the world, trying to get a ticket. I'm at West Ruislip, as you can see there when I expand it, West Ruislip, and I'm on the platform 3, which will head towards Denham at 3:19. I'll tell you what happened. First of all, the train ticket machines in the reception area, the other side of the ticket barrier, don't take cards or cash, so they're not much use. They will let you key in your destination, then they won't let you pay for it. There are signs saying if you travel without a ticket, you could be liable to a £100 fine at least. So, with that unfriendly start, I did actually manage to find a person in the office, and he said, yes, that's right, you have to go through to platform 4, which is over there, because there's a ticket machine over there. Then you get your ticket there, and you come back to platform 3. Of course, to get to platform 4, I needed to use my Oyster card. So I did that. I went over to platform 4, and there is indeed a machine there where two people were getting more and more exasperated because it didn't seem to take cash, coins, or credit cards either. So one bloke was so fed up he was going to go back and complain, all the rest of it. So this is quite a palaver to actually get a ticket. But anyway, that's the one I'm going to get. The first train to Aylesbury, which is on time. It's 2 coaches. Anyway, to cut a long story short, there was another chap there at the ticket machine over there, and he managed to help me navigate my way through the ridiculous number of menus, which assumed, in fact he's still there I think, assumed that you want a return rather than a single, and so on. Eventually I was able to get to the menu that says just sort of one stop up the line, £3.30 to Denham. Press the money and press the continue, and then it asks for money. There are a few green lights. Now again, it didn't accept a note, didn't accept coins, didn't accept a credit card. But in the last despairing fling of the dice, there was a contactless light lit up. So I put my card on that, and lo and behold, it did actually accept it. And of course I got a receipt. But what a palaver, eh? Then I had to come back from platform 4 over there to platform 3 where I am now in order to catch the train. So if you're a train enthusiast and you think things should be brought to the attention of stations or ticket people, this is a prime candidate. Here is my ticket, West Ruislip to Denham, date of travel today, £3.30. I've got 2 more bits. One is a receipt for £3.30, rail ticket number 39996, 1504 I think. And the last bit is, I don't know what it is. It's a debit credit card sales voucher. Sale confirmed, purchaser's signature, contactless. Well, of course I didn't sign anything. But it's very nice to have lots of tickets and information. Although really, all I wanted to do is to go to Denham. Of course, the temptation would be just to hop on the train. It's only a 5-minute journey, and hop off at Denham and not get a ticket. because there's no checking at Denham. And I imagine that the vast majority of people do that. But not me, I'm an honest citizen. So I went through this really quite complicated rigmarole in order to get a ticket. My visit to the HS2 site, they gave me a card also with a free phone number and an email address, and on the back it has find out more about it with some more email website addresses, which I suppose they're obliged to do. The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station. Well, I'm on platform 3, so this is quite exciting. I've got to stand well away from the edge because the train that's arriving, as the announcer said, unless again this is some kind of joke, is going to hurtle through here at some speed, endangering life and limb to those who step over the yellow line. So here we are, here's the yellow line, here are my feet. Whoops, I've got put one foot over, I better step back, otherwise who knows if I'll be zapped. This station, West Ruislip, is also the end of the line for the Central Line, and there is a Central Line train in it. The pattern is one Central Line train comes into one platform and then it leaves from another platform. Here comes the express. And yep, you're right, Mrs. Announcer, it didn't stop. So that bit works, but I'm just bemused at how complicated life is now that we use automated ticket machines that don't work.
The next train at platform 3 is the 1519 service to Aylesbury, calling at Denham, Denham Golf Club, Gerrard's Cross, Beaconsfield, High Wycombe, Saunderton, Prince's Risborough, Monk's Risborough, Little Kimble and Aylesbury. This train is formed of 2 carriages. There are usually only a few seats available on this train. The next train at platform 3 is the 1519 service to Aylesbury.
Okay, that's going to be my train. That was quite useful. Just confirming that in fact the train is running. So that bit works, but the ticketing at West Ruislip is appallingly bad. I don't know why this is. It might be that some of the machines outside the ticket barrier have been, I don't know, vandalised or something. I don't know, but there was no obvious sign. And they employ a bloke in the office there, seemingly with the sole intent of telling people where to get a ticket. Anyway, enough of that. I'm not complaining. It's a nice day. It's Saturday. It's the 9th of November. Peter the Rock. And now I think the train is actually arriving. So I'm going to get on it and film to see if there are any HS2 things to film. Thanks a lot for watching. Smile, like, subscribe, press the bell. It all costs nothing. Cheers.